Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your United Airlines seat, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy a more comfortable flight experience. Step 1. Log in to your United account on the official website or mobile app using your booking confirmation number and credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the My Trips section and select the flight you want to upgrade. Step 3. Look for the Upgrade Options button and click on it to view available seats. Step 4. Review the upgrade options, which may include Premium Economy, Business Class, or First Class, along with their prices. Step 5. Select your preferred upgraded seat and proceed to payment. Step 6. Complete the payment process using a credit card or Mileage Plus miles if available. Step 7. Confirm your upgrade and check your email for confirmation. Step 8. Verify the upgrade in your booking details to ensure it has been successfully applied. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.